Good morning, friends. In the last lecture, we have seen first shifting property, then examples, various types of examples on this first shifting property. What is first shifting property? I will repeat. What is first shifting property? If Laplace of ft equal to f bar s, then Laplace of e raised to at ft is equal to f bar of s minus a, or Laplace of e raised to minus at ft dt is equal to f bar of s plus a. So this one is first shifting property. So at the time of exam you have to memorize this, and for your test exam the question may be like this: state the first shifting property for Laplace transform. So at that time also you have to write the answer like this. Then the next property is multiplication by t raised to n property. It is called as multiplication by t raised to n property. If Laplace of ft equal to f bar s, the property says like this: if Laplace of ft equal to f bar s, then Laplace of t raised to n, Laplace of t raised to n ft, t raised to n ft equal to minus 1 raised to n, nth derivative of f bar s with respect to s. It can be written like this: dn by dsn of f bar s. So I will repeat. What is the property? If Laplace of ft, this is t raised to n property. If Laplace of ft equal to f bar s, then Laplace of t raised to n into ft is equal to minus 1 raised to n, nth derivative of f bar s with respect to s. So this multiplication turns into derivative. Multiplication turns into derivative. If it is t only, n is 1, you have to take only first derivative. T square, second derivative, second order derivative. T cube, third order derivative, and so on. So it turns into derivative. And the multiplying factor is minus 1 raised to 1 if n is 1. If n is 2, minus 1 square, minus 1 cube, that is plus minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 2 is equal to plus 1. Minus 1 raised to 3 is equal to minus 1, and so on. Accordingly, you can make the corresponding changes. Example of this is Laplace of t square cos at. We have to find Laplace of t square cos at. The solution starts like this. We have Laplace of cos at is equal to s upon s square plus a square, which is your f bar s. So my suggestion is whatever remains after multiplication by t raised to n, that is your ft. So here t square into cos at. So t square, leave it, and what remains? Cos at remains. So cos at is your ft. So Laplace of ft is equal to this one, and that is equal to f bar s. And therefore, by multiplication property, Laplace of t square cos at, our aim is to find Laplace of t square cos at. So Laplace of t square cos at is minus 1 raised to 2, because power of t is 2. Minus 1 square, second order derivative of f bar s with respect to s. d2 by ds square, s upon s square plus a square. So that is minus 1 square is plus 1, and d2 by ds square, you know, d by ds of d by ds of s upon s square plus a square. Here one can use the quotient rule of derivative. So d by ds of, the bracket is a square, denominator into derivative of numerator. Derivative of s is 1 minus numerator into derivative of denominator s square plus a square, its derivative is 2s. So divided by s square plus a square square, denominator square. So again this is a square minus a square, s square plus a square square, and again the derivative for the derivative of this, again we use our quotient rule. So by that quotient rule, s square plus a square square, denominator into derivative of numerator, that is into minus 2s, minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Derivative of s square plus a square square is twice s square plus a square into derivative of s square plus a square, that is 2s. S square plus a square raised to 4. So these are the simplifications. I suppose one can understood. 2 into a square plus a square square is common. What remains here? S square plus a square remains, and into the 2 is out. So minus s, minus a square minus a square remains. This is common. This one is common thing. Into 2s remains, and after that the simplification final stage is 2 into s square plus a square is into bracket s cube minus 3a square s divided by s square plus a square raised to 4. Again one can add one more step, that is s is common here. So 2s s square plus a square minus 3a square divided by s square plus a square raised to 4. So this one is the final answer. Next one is find Laplace of t into sine hyperbolic at. So we have Laplace of sine hyperbolic at. Sine hyperbolic at is your ft, as I have told in first example. Whatever remains, that is sine hyperbolic at remains. So t into sine hyperbolic at. So sine hyperbolic at remains, that is ft. Laplace of ft is equal to a upon s square minus a square. Sine hyperbolic at, its Laplace is like this, and that is your f bar s. And here power of t is 1, and therefore by multiplication property, Laplace of t raised to 1 sine hyperbolic at minus 1 raised to 1 d by ds of a upon s square minus a square. So minus 1 raised to 1 is minus, a is constant, minus a, and its derivative is 1 upon s square minus a square square minus 1 upon a square minus a square square into derivative of a square minus a square, that is 2s, and the final answer is 2as s square minus a square square. Then the next example is Laplace of t into e raised to minus 3t sine 2t. So t सोडून राहिलेलं जे आहे त्याला आपण ft म्हणणार आहे. t सोडून काय राहतंय? e raised to minus 3t sine 2t. So this is your ft. So Laplace of e raised to minus 3t sine 2t using the first shifting property. FSP means first shifting property. So that is Laplace of e raised to at sine bt is b upon s minus a bracket square plus b square. In the last lecture we have seen that property. So that is 2 upon s plus 3 bracket square plus 4. And therefore Laplace of t into e raised to minus 3t sine 2t, power of t is 1. So minus 1 raised to 1. Only first order derivative, that is d by ds of 2 upon s square plus 6s plus 9 plus 4, that is plus 13. And I suppose you understood the remaining thing, how to find the derivative. 4 into s plus 3 s square plus 6s plus 13 bracket square. Next one is Laplace of t into e raised to minus t sine cube t. Sine cube t by trigonometric formula, Laplace of sine cube t is Laplace of 3 sine t minus sine 3t divided by 4. So that is 3 by 4. Laplace of sine t is 1 upon s square plus 1 minus 1 by 4. Laplace of sine 3t is 3 upon s square plus 9. And therefore by first shifting property, Laplace of e raised to minus t sine cube t is 3 by 4. S should be replaced by s plus 1. S plus 1 bracket square plus 1 minus 1 by 4 into 3 upon s should be replaced by s plus 1 bracket square plus 9. So this one is your Laplace of e raised to minus t into sine cube t. That is your f bar s. F bar. And therefore, by multiplication property, Laplace of t into e raised to minus t sine cube t, power of t is 1 and therefore minus 1 d by ds of derivative, first order derivative of this f bar s. 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 2 minus 3 upon 4 into 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 10. And how to find the derivative you understood, and final answer is 3 by 4 2s plus 2. 2 again one can take common and here write s plus 1 and here write 2. 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So 3 by 4 or otherwise like this also, 2s plus 2 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 2 bracket square minus 1 upon s square plus 2s plus 10 bracket square. And the last example is Laplace of t square into 1 minus cos t. So find the Laplace of 1 minus cos t. 1 upon s minus s upon s square plus 1, that is your f bar s. And therefore by multiplication property, Laplace of t square 1 minus cos t. Power of t is 2, so minus 1 square, and second order derivative d square by ds square 1 upon s minus s upon s square plus 1. So d by ds of derivative of 1 upon s is minus 1 upon s square and minus derivative of s upon s square plus 1 is 1 minus s square upon s square plus 1 bracket square. So again you have to find the derivative of this and derivative of this. So that I will leave for you as the homework. So you complete this example by writing the last step so that you can understood how to find the derivative also. So see the property says that Laplace of t raised to n ft equal to minus 1 raised to n nth derivative of f bar s with respect to s. And if you are having any difficulty, please ask. If you are having any difficulty, please ask. But solve more and more examples. You can take more and more examples of your own. You can make your own examples. Here it is t, you can take t raised to 2. Here it is e raised to minus t, you can take e raised to minus 2t. Here it is sine cube t, you can take cos 3t like this, or cos cube t like this. So one can make their own examples and try to solve all these examples so that you become perfect in Laplace transform. So for today it is sufficient. If you are having any difficulty, please ask. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.